All right, YouTube. Finally finished the H-pipe install. As you can tell, it's already dark out because the sun decides to set a little earlier on us, considering that we're by the mountains. He's about to give us a cold start to determine if, quote, in theory, this car got quieter or louder. What's your prediction, man? Quieter or louder?
Damn, I don't know. Probably gonna be louder.
Shit. Well, the idea was to swap out test pipes.
Hold that too.
Was to swap out some test pipes.
You can do both.
As no, hang on. The idea was to swap out test pipes with an H pipe to potentially make it quieter, because apparently there's a lot of complaint with the neighbors at his house or whatever. I don't know, but here we go. Let's get some cold start action.
Ready?
Yeah, let's get it. Okay, it's a little. Actually, it's a lot quieter. It's a lot quieter. Cool. What are your thoughts?
I like it.
You like it? It sounds good, doesn't it?
It's a lot deeper too, so.
Yeah.
My hands are cold as shit.
Alright, so go ahead, give us your IG handle.
I got you.
What is it?
Right here.
Here it is. Nonchalant.
F_nonchalant.
Can't miss it up. Can't fuck it up. Can't miss it up. Go ahead, subscribe, follow.